Hi, I'm Rachel Rudolph, the Extension Vegetable Specialist at the University of Kentucky, and today we're kind of going to talk about post-harvest quality and handling. So we're doing a lettuce disease variety trial, and we're kind of using this as an example. So it's about 76 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Certainly not as hot as it can get, right, in the summer, but these harvested lettuce heads have been out in the sun for a little over an hour. And as you can see, we've got some variation in how they've survived, how they fared in the sun. So this variety is a butterhead lettuce. It's called Harmony. I can feel, right, it's kind of lost its turgidity. It's not as firm. The leaves have gotten really soft and warm, especially the ones that were facing up in the sun. But, you know, this one you could probably bring back once you've dunked it in some cool water or put it in the cooler, right? So, but yes, all the heads are really warm and soft, and the leaves are not nearly as firm. They feel very delicate, like they would tear really easily. When normally Harmony's leaves are actually pretty strong and turgid, and they've got some really nice form to them. This is Galactic, and again, all of these are very soft. Have lost their turgidity, right, except for maybe further down into the head, and they're just not looking very good, right? You can kind of see that, right? These are Vulcan, and again, also very soft, warm, turgid, or lost its turgidity. I would say this one is probably faring the best. This is P-Rat, a nice tight butterhead lettuce, and so that probably helps it regulate a little bit of temperature here, but it is still kind of warm, and some of these outer leaves are very soft and delicate from the sun. So it's really important to harvest lettuce early in the morning or maybe even late in the evening, and to get it into its proper temperatures as soon as possible. So harvest and get it in the shade, get it to the cooler quickly. You would not want to leave these out in the sun for very long at all, or avoid it completely. So just some things. The shelf life is going to suffer from these plants being left out. Every minute counts, and so you really want to avoid anything that's going to hurt your bottom line and possibly affect, quality and the perception from your consumers. Okay, so we saw what the lettuce looked like out for an hour, and here's that same lettuce that was out in 70 degrees, 76 degree weather for about an hour. You can see, right? It's lost its shape. It's not very firm, and it's still pretty warm even though we've brought it inside now for a few minutes. This same lettuce, again, this is Vulcan. You can see, right? It still has its shape. It's still firm, perky, doing well. This was in a cooler almost immediately. It was moved from the shade, we weighed it, and then it was put in a cooler at 37 degrees, which is a little bit cooler than ideal, but that's just what the cooler was set at. But it's doing well, right? So keep in mind, every moment counts when it comes to post-harvest quality.